Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the brake and reverse light on the tail light of a Dodge Nitro RT. It doesn't matter which model you got. For me, it's the RT specifically, and I'll be putting Auxito LEDs. If you guys follow my channel, you guys know that that's the only bulbs I use in my Toyota Yaris. They're pretty good. I use it for my low, turn signal, and reverse lights. So for this, all you're gonna need is a panel popper. If you don't got a panel popper, you can sit there and use a flathead. And you will also need a CR-VT20 Star tool. So I'm gonna set you on a tripod. Alright, so it's like little indentations on each tab. So what you wanna do, get your flathead or your panel popper, put it behind that indentation, pull out. That's one. And then same thing for the next one. Two. So what you want to do, have one on the outside, one at the bottom, and pull towards you. So. Then once you do that, you want to push down on this tab and lift upwards. That's so. Alright, so now this is where this little start tool comes in. What you want to do? I'm going to do each screw. Well, not that long, but that much. Then next thing you want to do, grab either end, doesn't matter what side, and slowly pull it outwards. Like, not outwards, but towards you. So. I'm going to take out that Auxito. So reverse is the bottom one. Does it say what side is positive? No. So I'm not sure if it's reverse polarity or not, but I'm going to put it in. You want to grip the sides, you don't ever want to touch the actual LEDs. So slide that in. This is the brake light, so we're going to pop that into that. These are the turn signal ones. Alright, going to. Alright, going to touch the. Alright, so this, I'm going to change right to the halogen. I didn't get the second pair. So this one's going to go right back in. Alright, so I'll be returning to do an update on the turn signal ones. I got to order a pair for the headlights. Even though this got hyper flash resistors in it, built in, because the front isn't changed to LEDs, it's still doing hyper flashing, so I'm gonna keep it as so for the time being. So that's the reverse, turn signal, and brake light. So what you wanna do, slowly put it in. Make sure everything lines up and secure, and then put your screw back in. It's only one way you can put this. One bulb is independent from the other two, so there's no wrong way of putting this in wrong. Alright. So now, just reconnect the wiring harness. That's so. And what you want to do, this two little ball joints, you want to make sure they stick into these. And you can do this with one hand. And then of course make sure the wiring harness is out the way. So as you can see, that's in there, and then bang it. That's so. And then for these, you gotta make sure this lower portion is separated or furthest away from the outer tab. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. Alright, so pretty much like that. Then you wanna put it in the hole. And if it's giving you some resistance, that means the hole's not lined up. So just keep playing with it. And then once it's in like that, that's it. That's locked in place. And then repeat the same procedure for the bottom. Make sure it's separated as so. Same thing. If you get a little bit of resistance, just turn it around so it goes in. You hear a little click. Then boom. And that's how you replace the brake and the reverse bulb on the Dodge Nitro. Any other vehicles, I'll put in the link in the description. Part numbers for these, I also have in the description of this video. So that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Peace.